How to remotely troubleshoot your friend's PCs using Quick Assist. If you have Windows 10 PC and you want to access another Windows 10 PC, then you don't need to use third-party softwares like TeamViewer or AnyDesk. Let's say a friend is calling you and ask for your help. Click Start button and type, Quick Assist. Click the Quick Assist app to open. Click the button, Assist another person. Sign in with your Microsoft account. You will be given a 6-digit code that expires in 10 minutes. Now, walk your friend through to open the Quick Assist app. Then tell him to type the 6-digit code and press Share Screen button. After entering the code, your friend will be prompted to give you permission to access his screen. Select, Take Full Control and press Continue button. After that, you will be able to use your friend's PC as if you were sitting in front of it. You can even use the remote reboot option to reboot his PC and automatically reinitiate the Quick Assist connection.
Thanks for watching. You can find more video tutorials in WLearn YouTube channel.